What's going on, beautiful people, man? It's your boy Day Day, aka D2R Golden Child with D2RFX. Follow me on Instagram at D2R Golden Child. I had a link in the description where you can follow me at. We about to dive right into this market. It's currently 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on February 13th, 2004. We looking at setups for the London session and moving into the New York session. So right now it's a chart for US 30. Last time I was on these charts, US 30, this is what I had marked up. Price going up here. As you can see, definitely went there. Got a nice little double top right here. This is the all-time high right here. So I'm gonna take this yellow line, move it right here to the all-time high. What's going on, brother? Unmute yourself. Can you hear me just fine? Yo, you there? All right, well, I'm gonna keep going. But I'm moving the all-time, moving this yellow line to the all-time high right here. So I can delete this now. What I see happening now is I definitely see price pulling back my Fibonacci. That's high to the low right here. And it's going to create another sweet spot where we can potentially see price pull back to it, then make a decision. It's going to keep going in the uptrend or it's going to pull down lower. So I definitely see price for US 30 pulling back. And then by Friday, closing in a bullish move. Test its all-time high again. Price dropping. Back up. So let's see what news we got coming up during the session. 23 minutes. We got a lot of news coming. This is my FX book. If you don't know, or it's your first time tuning in, I like my FX book or Forex Factory. Check the news and what's going on the economic calendar. But we got 22 minutes. We got the GBP unemployment rate, unemployment change, PPI over in Europe, Euro. So we got some red folders coming in 30 minutes. All right, so keep a mental note of that. And we're going to run down my pairs and see what's going on. See what's going on with US 30. It's pretty much looking the same way. The last time we looked at the chart, let's see what's going on. Those blue bars, these blue lines right here are key levels, support and resistance. They are support levels right now. They could potentially be resistance levels. Pull out the Fibonacci extension tool because we are all-time highs. So zooming a little bit more. 1 hour chart. All right, boom. I had at the time we marked the chart up, I had price coming down, which it did, and then broke into a buy, which it did. So now, oh yeah, on the higher time frame, go to the daily. And I anticipate price buying up to this newly creating a new all-time high. then pulling back, and then just continuing this uptrend. Tax season about to hit. It's about to be a lot of money flowing into all these companies, and the U.S. dollar is about to get real active during tax season. You know, it's a lot of money flowing. Let's go look at gold right now. All right, so I'm looking at the chart on gold on the daily time frame. I had an alert set right here. Let me zoom in closer so you can get a better look. I had an alert set for gold to let me know when price come down here because I knew it was going to sell. So we go back. Price came exactly as I anticipated. Came right in here to our golden zone and then went into a buy. Then you see it just consolidated along the 200 EMA, went up here to broke this resistance level, came back all the way down, broke through this. It came right back to the same golden zone, broke through, came to this key level, went up, consolidated on the 200, came down, broke this golden zone, ping pong, consolidated all through the golden zone and this key level, came through. I had an alert set right here. I knew price was going to ultimately come down here. So it didn't come all the way to test this key level, but it came close to it. Now you can see we got consolidation in this key level, and I can definitely see price definitely coming up here at least. Then we will wait and see, will it break through? So we want to see if price gonna come through, break through, give it a retest, and then come back up here. If I can I'm gonna put a yellow line right here because this is the new level we want to see the price really break because it's failed to break that. And that's still about, I'm gonna say a little under the 50% level, Fibonacci level. Just looking at it from the naked eye, but we're gonna see right now. Actually right in the middle of the 50%. Well, 50% and 38.2. Of that major engulfing candle right here. I still want to see price eat this candle up. So the bull's gonna have to ultimately eat this candle up. That's my outlook on gold right now. I had to put the word out to a few people in my tribe to buy gold. We definitely sending a nice little profit right now. Shout
Hell
out to
yeah,
all.
man. I cannot wait to get my fucking $100,000 account this next Thursday. Cause I just hit for like 3K. And I shouldn't have opened that many trades. I had opened up four, but I closed out three and just kept one to hold it. Still at like 2,800. I'm up like 200 on my fucking live, on my
Right. Hey, look,
25K
we
live
doing this
now.
on YouTube too, bro, so don't cut so much.
Oh, my phone, bro.
Yeah, you good. So we're gonna go look at GBP USD. And man, look at the beauty in this baby right here.
What's
So
this?
this is GBP USD on the 4 hour
Oh,
time.
yeah.
It was sold on crazy. And we right here into this this golden zone, which is the golden ratio, golden zone on the higher time frame, on the daily high time frame. From this low to this high, this is the 61.8, 50% level or whatnot. So we go to the 4 hour, price came right into that, went up, it tested, it broke right here. You see it came and tested that 200 EMA, and then it wicked back down now. about to take off into another buy. And then we got all this news happening at 2 o'clock. Yep, at 2 o'clock, this market about to get active. From the from the technical aspect, I see buys. Like I definitely see GBP, USD coming up and testing
Yeah, I'm
this
about to delete this one group on Telegram. They was telling me to sell. I was just like, y'all crazy.
price. Definitely got to come test this engulfing candle. Price got to come test this candle. And if you look, you see how, okay, the buyers created a crazy engulfing candle right here. The sellers came and took that joint out pretty much on one candle. So this one candle took out 1, 2, 3, 4, basically 5 candles. And the second one is push it down even further. So now that liquidity got to get met. I anticipate price buying up. And it could go up here and wick right back down to it. But overall, looking at the daily time frame, GU is still in a bullish market. It's consolidating right now. It's still overall in the battle. If I was to draw a trend line right here, you'll still see it's in the back. Still in the back. We zoom into the 4 hour. We can ultimately see it back up, and then if it still ain't get its trend line to test, so we can ultimately see once you see the bears take over, it sell all down to the trend line, and then reject off the trend line and continue in that back. We can ultimately see price do like this, and this is in the long run. But immediately, I see a buy coming up.
Oh damn! I hit my
I
take
see a buy.
profit.
But long term, I ultimately see it settle down to touch this trend line, and then going into a buy.
Yeah, I hit my take profit. My shit's done.
My Euro USD drop down to the hours.
That thing been selling all day.
All right, so when last time I look at the chart, I anticipate the price coming up, retesting in the zone, in the golden ratio zone, came up, consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. Ultimate came up here and it dropped back down. So I had the same bias. I see price gotta come up here. But I still see price coming up here. Who's coming out? Just the same way with GU. This right here, this candle right here gotta get tested. It's a whole lot of liquidity right there. And it's just accumulating, accumulating, accumulating. This news about to push it up and break out through this. So I'm gonna stay on the Zoom until this news come out. But same bias as GU. And I ain't even get to the DXY yet, but I guarantee you the DXY is gonna look real bearish. And you on it, trade that. All doing all the buy. You sold in the buy. Ultimately, definitely see US oil Test this key level breaking through here, so we might see a move. Like it's not gonna be a straight shot, straight shoot up like that. It'll more so be a
Dang.
something like
EXY is bearish.
huh?
Super bearish.
Yeah,
He is right. DXY is definitely bearish.
and that's next on the
Bearish
list.
is super bearish. Yeah, bro. I had my take profit on all of them Johns.
All right, boom. So last time we looked at the market, said price gonna come down here. What it do? Came straight to this key level. Consolidated, came up a little bit. Consolidated, tested this 200 EMA. So now price is definitely about to raise this. I only gotta raise this. I'm gonna move this. And so now price gotta come test this 200. But then I can ultimately see it. Hold on, one second. I ultimately see it. I want to move like this, breaking at 200, give it a retest, and then boom. Because you look to the left, the same way with GBP, USD, and Euro USD. This is a major liquidity grab right here. This candle got to get tested. And you can see the confluence, or you can see how US dollar and the the euro and the British pound are counting each other right on the chart. You can see it's the exact same opposite. On GU and EU, it's a bearish candle, but on the US dollar, it's a bullish candle right here. But it's the same rules apply.
Sheesh. That thing about to go to hell.
Yeah, it's about to sell off hard. You see it dropping live in real time. Hold on, I'm gonna go back to it. See it dropping in real time. You can drop down to the 5 minute chart. Look, boom, right now is testing is 200 right here, right now. Reject, reject, reject. But like I said, it's ultimately gonna break. And I got this news coming out being real bullish for the euro and the British pound.
I cannot wait to get my $100,000 account. Yeah, I'm about to eat. Literally
What, man?
9 more days, man. I can't wait.
Yeah, that's about to go up. Let me ask you why I got you on this Zoom, on this live. This is your time to ask any question that you might possibly have. Go look at USD JPY
Big shit.
daily. Using the
I
buy
think
right now.
SPX been selling for a whole week too.
And then, so right here, this is what we marked it up at. Well, this is what we ultimately got price coming to. I'm gonna test this key level right here. And look like right now, price is on its way to it. We drop down to the smaller time frame. Only you remember this trade. This is the last time we was on the Zoom. I remember marking this up. Specifically, I took this trade.
Oh, that
And
was
boom,
clear. That
yeah,
was
price
clean.
coming down. We had to take profit one. It was right here at the top of the golden ratio. Price smacked that. Price came down to the second one. Like almost touched it, touched it, touched it. It went up a little bit, but then it ultimately came and wicked all the way down into take profit two. And then price flipped. And then this has been in the buy ever since. You know, this.
That's still clean though.
So right now, I got to the daily right quick. Um,
How do you spot fair value gaps? Because I keep seeing people say that, but I don't know what they're saying. That's like a foreign language to me.
I mean, just stick to the basics. And that's just
Okay.
basically the same thing as a key level, support and resistance. Master support and resistance, identifying key levels and start there.
Okay.
It's like you can't get to D without going through ABC.
Okay. You're right. You're right. I
Keep
respect
it
that.
simple,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Because it's basically the same premise. Order blocks, all that shit. It's pretty much the same thing. Let's focus on support and resistance. Keep it simple.
Okay.
Like I'm gonna go to let's pick a random pair and just say
So now that gold hit my TP, would it be safe to buy it once it hits above 2024?
hold on, I'm gonna have to go back to the chart and look at that jump. Let me show you something right quick.
Yeah, because you called that 2023 was perfect. It hit
Had
right
to
on
look
that.
go back to sleep for that jump.
I thought I was gonna be asleep. I was like, I was geeked when I woke back up like 10 minutes later and seen that thing said $2,000 on my demo on my 100K, and then it stopped out at 230, 230 because I did a good lot. I did like a point three, I think, on my 25. Just took it to 230, which ain't bad. I think it was like 260 because I opened up three trades.
But look, remember this going on YouTube.
Okay.
But yeah, so the US dollar and Mexican peso, right? Take away is 200. Focus strictly on price action. So you rely on or look at any indicator. So all I'm looking for is places in the market where I see price getting active or rejecting from. So like right here, like okay, boom, this one right here. That's a good resistance level and a support level. If you look right here, there's just a lot of activity going on right here. But instead of just doing a singular line, like that's one right here, one right here, top of this wick right here. This is the high. So definitely. Oh yeah, matter of fact, I was out of order. So let me restart it. First thing you want to do, just starting out, is identify the high and the low. So we ain't gotta go all the way to the day. Let's go to the hour. Like we actively looking for a trade right now. All right, boom, identify the high right here. Like this don't selling right now. Actually, this is actually a good sell, but the spreads on exotic pairs be kind of crazy. But as you can see, you're gonna see this trade set up in real time. And we got 2 minutes before that news happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and just mark this one up real quick. But you see we identify the high, the low, and then look. And then we're looking for okay, price selling. Where can we potentially see this price sell to? So I'm just going through marking up support and resistance levels that I see right. So instead of having all these different lines, you see this is support. This is can be support and resistance. It's support on this side and resistance on this side. Same thing right here. It's resistance support right here, but it's resistance right there. But instead of doing all that, so you might hear key levels, like I said, fair value gaps. I just keep it simple and boom. I just look for key levels. And I like to use Wix because Wix tells stories. Like each candle like a little war story. A battle going on right here between the Bulls and the Bears. Like you look at this candle right here, the buyers or the bears, I mean the bulls or the buyers push price way up here. Then the sellers came, pushed that joint down, and that closed right there. Buyers pushed it back up. The candle started. Buyers pushed it back up right there. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. The news came out. I'm gonna come back to this. I want to look at this in real time. All right, so now we're gonna go back to we're gonna go back to my FX book. With my phone going crazy, letting me know all this shit happening. All
They
right,
ain't even start yet, and I'm already at 292 in earnings. Let's go.
all right, so
Daily drawdown at 0.
all right, so boom. This was positive. This was the unemployment rate was bad. The GU unemployment rate was bad. All in all, it seemed like it's more good news for the British pound than bad news, even with the Euro news. So that confirms these guys coming. So let's go look at the British pound. Euro ain't moving as fast, but the British pound is popping like out of here. Look, when I tell you, out of here, out of here, out of here.
What's that?
This is the British pound, US dollar.
Oh yeah. Dang, that thing way, way.
It's coming to eat this liquidity up on this candle right here. All this consolidation, all this consolidation right here was just accumulating. False breakouts. Boom. And that news about the same price up here to test that. That's what I wanted to see. And then watch the the DXY is about to drop because London session about to start in 1 hour. I'm not gonna be up for a London session, but once it's Zoom over, upload this video, call it a night. But boom, 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles. I'm gonna eat up these 3 bullish candles right here. Price definitely about to drop. And then what we'll probably see is New York session. We got CPI in the morning, and depending on if the CPI news is good or bad, they'll let us know. We got all this red folders in the morning for New York session, and they'll let us know is the U.S. dollar gonna be bearish or bullish for New York session. So London session, GU bullish as fuck. everything against the US dollar about to be bullish as fuck. Gold about to be bullish as hell. Look, you should be in deep profit on your trade. I wish you would have took it on your live account. I don't know why you do that to yourself.
I did. I took the trades on my on 25 on the live, and I came out like I came up on top. It just hit the TP. It hit the TP. I
Yeah.
put it at 2023, like you said,
Okay.
and it hit that. I smashed all my TPs.
Make your own choice, but I said, like now you could still enter another position on that. And I will put the TP at like 2028.118.
Okay.
Don't over leverage, don't go crazy. Set you a decent stop loss. So I would set, so I'll put my take profit here. Got you. Be running out of time. Got you. My take profit at 2028.18. And I would definitely put my stop loss. Oh, yeah, 2022.055. I mean, 0.005, my bad. Entering the market down. Title
Sheesh.
loss. I'll put my stop loss at 2023.05
Okay.
and put your take profit at 2028.118. That give you a 3-to-1 ratio. Because right now, it's a lot of bullish buying power in gold. And then if before you go to sleep, your trade is in profit, just move your trade to either break even or move it in profit so that way you don't lose no money.
Okay.
Like worst case
The
scenario, this trade
2023 point.
only risking you got a 3-to-1 ratio. So you winning 3 times more than you will lose. That's a valid setup. And then like I said, we put out now once I do that type of analysis, then I pull out my other MAs and just get confirmation and see what I see. So that's the 16-minute. Boom, we got these MAs crossing. Always good signs. Look, she breaking out. That money, man. See where she at as far as and yep, shot, but look, ultimate coming here. Yeah, man, gave your setup. We can get back to it. Check back up on London session. I mean, on New York in the morning. Want to give me some rest. Get ready for the day
Yeah, I gotta
tomorrow.
get some rest. I gotta get some rest too. I got work. I gotta go first day of work tomorrow.
Hey, man, go get that
Tennis.
money, man. Like Nip say, all money in, bro. I'm gonna get with you.
Right.
All
All
right,
right.
bro.
Respect, brother. You stay up.
Yes, sir.